Today, we're going to talk about the 7 steps, the guide to qualifying for an SBA loan. This is going to be a good one, baby. Let's get it. All right. Welcome to Cakeologi, the science of success. You know who I am, B.O.B., none but the best of the best here with daily videos on money, business, and credit. So today I want to talk about the 7 basic steps that we need to take, the guide to getting approved for an SBA loan. Now, in case you guys didn't know, the SBA is the Small Business Administration. They've got tons of opportunity here for small businesses, medium businesses, and even large businesses. Today, we're going to talk about the guide, the beginner's guide to getting approved for such a loan. So number 1, let's go down the list, 7 of them, baby. So number 1 is let's improve our personal credit scores. As you guys very well know, I always discuss credit fusion over here. What I mean by credit fusion is having that good personal credit and having that good business credit together. Now, even though some SBA programs will get you approved with less than perfect credit, to increase our chances of getting approved for an SBA loan, I always recommend we have to have good personal credit. So what does that mean? That means pay your bills on time. That means if you have any collections, let's dispute them, okay? That means keep that utilization low on those cards. In addition, let's have more available. So you might even want to apply for a new card as well to keep that debt to income ratio in check as well. So that's first and foremost, is to have that good personal credit. Second of all, listen, this is what the whole channel is based on, establishing good business credit. So when we're applying for an SBA loan, they're going to look at personal credit and business credit, okay? There is a formula for that. It's called the FICO SBSS score, okay? Which is the FICO Liquid Credit Small Business Scoring Service, okay? So the FICO SBSS score, all right? If you guys have NAV for your business and are monitoring your business credit, NAV does offer that score so you know what it is. Now, what that score entails, it entails the personal credit side of it. So whoever owns 20% more of that business, their score is going to be involved in that. In addition to your business credit scores with Dun and Bradstreet, with Experian, and with Equifax. We've been talking more and more about Equifax in all the banks that are checking Equifax, okay? We've got tons of them. Make sure you guys follow me on my Facebook page because I do a lot of posting there. Make sure you guys also check out the Diamond Net 30 vendors I got in the link in the description below. They're the fastest reporting Net 30 vendor accounts that report on time and clockwise every month, okay? So if you guys are looking for good accounts that report to Equifax, make sure you guys check them out in the link in the description below. So good personal credit, number 1. Good business credit, number 2. They want that FICO SBSS score, okay? Now, as far as that score is concerned, they want to see that score to be around 160 to 165, okay? So when you guys check your score, if you have that, that's what we're aiming for, that 160 to 165 score range when it comes to the FICO SBSS score, which takes into account that personal credit and the business credit. All right, let's keep it moving, baby. All right, number 3 is let's make sure that our company meets the standards for getting an SBA loan, all right? There's a number of different standards. Number 1 is your business, is the industry that you're in, does that qualify, okay? That's one thing. The SBA has a pretty strict definition of what does and what doesn't count as a small business, okay? They've accordingly developed a size standard, which is generally calculated by your number of employees or how much your company makes annually, but which varies by industry. So we got to make sure that we check that out as well when we're thinking about applying for an SBA loan. All right. Number 4, invest what you can in your business. Now, as you guys very well know, I do free 15-minute phone consultations to explain my paid business credit VIP membership. If you guys want to sign up for that, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below and sign up for the free 15-minute consultation. Now, I know some of you have been signing up for it, but you have to make sure you call the number when it's your time to call the number, okay? So when you sign up for the free 15-minute, you're gonna get a number, okay, a phone number, and call that phone number at your appointment time to talk to me directly, okay? So what they want is they want you to already have invested in your business as well, okay? So the SBA, they want to see things like that. They want to see that you have an investment in your business, that you've put in money, whether that be developing a site, developing your product, whatever it may be. They want to see some skin in the game, ladies and gentlemen, okay? That's how the SBA works generally, and that will increase our odds of getting those SBA loans. All right, number 5, we must prepare or update our business financial statements, okay? So as you guys very well know, I always say, hey, make sure you have a good accountant and a good attorney. This is not financial advice. This is me sharing my experiences on YouTube, my journey of getting funding for my businesses, of starting businesses, having gone through all the ups and downs when it comes to that, having to use my own money and thinking, hey, that's the only way to do it. But it's not, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Let's think outside the box. Have you ever thought that we can get funding for our business before we get into all that? So what the SBA wants to see is they want to see some financial statements, okay? So if your business has been in business for, a couple of years, make sure you have all of that bookkeeping in check, okay? Believe me, do not take any shortcuts, okay? I don't take any shortcuts. I want to pay all my taxes on time every year. Why? Because that creates that paper trail that is going to help us get more loans, bigger loans in the future. So consider it an investment, okay? Not only consider it an investment, but consider it something that's mandatory to do to keep the health of your business in check and growing. We're not peanut brained over here, okay? I'm trying to get $1 billion loan. All right. In order to do that, you have to show some financials, baby. All right. Number 6, make sure that all of the owners also have updated resumes. Okay. All right. Why? Because an SBA loan, those lenders, they want to see more of a plan. Okay. They want to see who's involved. They want to see what the experiences of those owners are as it relates to that industry that you're in. It's always good practice to have your resume updated, so when you go to an SBA approved lender, you have all of the paperwork there and you can show, hey, I am qualified. I'm an expert in this industry. I've been in this industry for a long time. Here's my resume. Super important. All right, last but not least, let's determine how we're going to use the loan. Okay, now what do I mean by that? Well, I'm gonna read something to you guys. Okay, now will you be using the loan as working capital, or do you need it for a specific project such as purchasing fixed assets like equipment or supplies? Your lenders will want to see that you have an actual plan for the money that you're seeking, okay? This is where having a business plan is very, very handy, okay? It'll help you determine how you'll be using that loan and be able to present it in a way that will get you guys approved. These 7 steps are super, super important. I highly encourage you guys to start thinking about this and putting these into practice. A lot of you guys may be intimidated by a few of these steps, but it's okay. Take the step in the right direction. Take some steps in that direction, okay? Consider it an investment. Everybody asks me, well, what stock am I buying? I'm not buying any stock but in my business, okay? I am the stock, all right? So start investing in your own business. Start getting these things in line. If you say, oh, I can't wait 2 years, I don't have the time. Hey, listen, 2 years is going to be here whether you want it to be or not. You understand that? Okay? If you plan today, when that time comes, you will be ready. All right. Now, make sure you guys check out the link in the links. All the links are in the description below to the hottest Net 30 vendor accounts, to my free 15-minute consultation, as well as a link to InkFile. If you have not started your business, check out the link in the description to InkFile. They will set up your business for free. All you do is pay for the state registration fee. All right. Now, as you guys very well know, hey, money, business, credit, daily videos. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We're going to 100,000 subscribers in 2021. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell notification for daily videos. All right, baby. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love.
Who is this guy?